Oh, my bad.
Abuja to Lokoja is about 230 kilometers by 2, so we're talking about 160 kilometers. The president is already intervening in over 230 kilometers. So we have another 200 kilometers left.
Oh, God, drop your hand.
The road is so terrible, so bad. The truth is that anywhere you turn to is a priority. Anywhere you turn to is a priority. And so what the president inherited because in every region you have this problem. You just get to in North Central alone, go to Niger State, you see a lot of issues. You go to between Abuja and the Kefi, you see a lot of issues. You put your head, towards Benue. So it is uncountable. But the president is doing quite a lot. Everything cannot be completed in 2 years or in 4 years. But we are badly challenged, but we're not giving up.
Well, let me first commend you for this journey today. It's not easy. However, I would like to know how many contractors on this road are working.
The contractors, we have, JRB starting from Abuja, and he's doing a fantastic job. He has about 22 kilometers of the route he's doing for 20 billion, and he's done over 15 kilometers. We've seen the job, we're happy with that. Then we met, Guild. Guild has a total of 53 kilometers for 56 billion. It's an inherited project, and he came to us and decided to turn the route from flexible pavement to concrete. And we've seen the work. The work is, quality is very high, but the pace is very slow. Then we have True Crit. True Crit is taking over the job of Bulletin. The past administration terminated the job of Bulletin, 47 kilometers, and the cost is about 90 billion, and it's done on reinforced concrete. He's doing very well in terms of quality. We begged him to increase the pace. We've also gone to to procure another 86 kilometers, within that axis. So if you add 86 kilometers plus 47 kilometers plus 20 kilometers plus 53 kilometers, and then you have small other contractors that are doing very badly, like Suji. The 3 contractors were part of the intervention of Mr. President as early as 2023. But you can see that they are all below 20%, in completion. We've summoned them. So these are the contractors on the road, and of course this one is part of the 4 sections. This one you're seeing for CGC, that is starting from here. We have CGC. We terminated the job of RCC, the job of Mothercat and Dantata and Soho, and we advertised, and of course CGC was among them, but we didn't terminate the job because it's doing very, very well. And so we presently have CGC on the job, we have CBC on the job, we have CCECC on the job, and then at Equal axis we have BUA, on tax credit project. Next week we are going to be on this route up to Benin to also evaluate what is going on. But let me say that the True Crit job, 47 kilometers, and Gale job, 53 kilometers, are all part of an MPC project. And the president had directed that the job will not stop And then this project, all the way from here, Lokoja down to Benin, is also part of an MPC project. We are, reviewing it in line with the President directive that the job should not stop.
Honorable Minister, please, looking at the pace of the work, the 14-month deadline, is this still feasible? Are you any plans? Yes,
Well, we have directed a meeting with the contractors. That's SYMFONI. The good thing is that anywhere we do, that place is going to last for another 100 years. But we've invited them for a meeting. They have to, come up with more gangs to meet up with the 14 months, deadline.
So it stays.
Yeah.
So, sorry, how cost effective it is that a kilometer of a road is more than $1 billion?
You are not an engineer now. So, how will you know? What is the cost of cement? I want you to answer. The cement is costing 9,500. Okay? And 1 meter cubed of, concrete is going to be 9 bags. Multiply 9 bags by 9,500. That is only cement. You now check the cost of Y20 roads. Then you check the cost of chippings. You take the cost of laying, sharp sand. You check the fact that we are using cement to stabilize 2 layers, the sub-base and base course. So if you want to learn engineering, come to the office.
Honorable, can you tell us the cost of this from Abuja to this service, the entire cost you are?
I've told you the cost of this.
Generally, are you satisfied with the jobs?
The qualities are good. The 3 jobs we gave out in 2023, they may be facing the Efcc, as we summon them to the office. Their quality good, but the pace is terrible. And that's why we decided to come by ourselves to see this thing. But we're going to be very hard on ourselves as Ministry of Works, because I think we need to turn a new leaf in terms of pushing these contractors. We need it as leaders in the office to know that these 3 sections of the job is not going on well since 2023, September. So 2 years. A contractor that has 3 kilometers of road is doing, 400 meters. So how can we justify that? And so our staff in the field is supposed to raise alarm. That is what we are going to be charging them to do now. If they don't do so, we're going to hold them responsible.
How many contractors are likely to face yet?
They are not facing yet. It's when they come, we give them time in line with the law, in line with the agreement. And if they fail, then we have no more choice than to hand over the file to Efcc and Icpc to recover the funds.
Thank you very much.